Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. This is why backups matter, so you can restore configs afterward. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and plug into AC power to avoid interruptions. Make sure you know any app licenses or Wi-Fi passwords before continuing. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Select the Reset this PC option and choose whether to keep files or remove everything. This initial choice determines how deep the reset goes. You now choose how Windows will be reinstalled and why it matters. If you want a full clean, select Remove Everything. If you need apps preserved, pick Keep My Files. Next, decide Cloud Download for a fresh image, useful if local files are corrupt, or Local Reinstall to use the current system files. Cloud will consume about 4 GB. Then confirm whether to erase only the drive or fully clean data. The latter takes longer, but improves privacy and security. You finish by following the on-screen prompts and letting the PC reboot. Setup typically takes 30 to 60 minutes, so be patient. Once Windows is back, reinstall applications, restore your backed up files, and immediately run Windows Update and driver updates to ensure stability. If something goes wrong, say the reset fails during reinstall, boot into safe mode and run SFC and DISM to repair system files, or retry using the Cloud Download option to bypass corrupted local images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.